Ekspor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Way hybrid ubala tip kerteng kum penhun ubala nyusam karta ula do no ela ka jong ka jingim kat ba okupa bat ki men joki kila mesaw na ka jing tua ka khando ha ka alpotrik na tung ada prio ka balaja ha ka por kum ba sawaji mestep ha ka snong omla plang mawti ri boy district kat kum ka khubor bala yoklum na ki pulet lai thu ba ka jing tua ka khando kalaja na ka daw ka jing ther ulap ba lapsan ubala ne kat tu kat ni por bat ha ka ni ka jingja ka khando kala tua bat rung sapo ka ying ba stolen khumdaj ka ba mau bat ki khon ki kirang yo thia lingai ha ka ni ka jingja uba stolen khumdaj ubala saupus nam karta bat laingot ki khon ki badang red kata u hebret penskem ubala khandrus nam karta ibani ubala khalais nam karta bat ka hebret sapira ka bala pras nam karta ki bala masaw bala pengket no sya trai PSC banyo ya ka jing sumar nakaliang jong pa bat ki bahiyang sem kila kan taj ban le postmortem ya kamet jong hebret penhun bat nakaliang ki bor sarkar kila IT no ya kamet syaki bahiyang hasem ban pendap ya ka jing le niam bakhat do.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.